Make sure to have all the tools displayed. Open the box. Then, open the carton and remove all the accessories. Build the XEV428 EVSC components using a 19mm spanner. Affix the metal support structure in a concrete foundation. The concrete base should be a minimum of 650mm high, 500mm wide and 800mm deep. Make sure to level the metal support while the concrete is still wet. Allow to harden for 1 week. Remove the Pedestal XEV426 EVSE from the box by pulling the cords as shown. To install the pedestal, first remove the front door using the triangle key provided. Then feed all the cabling through the bottom of the pedestal. Lift the XEV A116 grounding kit onto the concrete base and line up with the 4 screws. Screw in the 4 bolts to secure the pedestal to the concrete base. Attach the earth cable and screw it in using a 10mm spanner. Place the witty park on top of the pedestal. Unscrew the witty park front door to reveal the internal parts of the witty. Unscrew the plastic bolts one by one. And replace them with the metal bolts to secure the unit. With the screwdriver, make holes in the grommets where needed. Strip the cables. And feed them through the grommets. Strip the wires for the electricity supply cable and then install as shown. Then, strip the wires for the 2 socket supply cables. Plug in the earth and into the neutral connection, plug the wire in L1, L2, L3. Repeat the process for the second mains power cable. Plug in the Ethernet cable. Neatly clip the cable to the already affixed parts. The internals of the station should look as beautiful as this image. Reattach the pedestal front cover. Unscrew the wall mounting bolts in the 4 positions shown. Screw in the 6 screws and attach the plate to the back of the witty. Bolt all 6 screws from the front in the positions illustrated. Close the witty front door. Place the white plate and affix with 2 screws from the lower part of the unit. The configurator is used to set up the charging station. To set up the charging station, you need to first go into the home page. Here you need to choose the correct setup based on your installation. Please be aware of all the settings at this step. Depending on the setting, you can store some badges in your charging station memory. Depending on the setup, you can also configure the charging station to communicate with CPOs. Now the charging station is installed, configured and ready to use.